Let's say, na-complete na yung mga kailangan mo. You have the vocals and all instruments. And one thing na kailangan mo na lang is mixing. That's why I will be teaching you the basics of mixer in FL Studio. Before you record your vocals, you need to add some effects or auto-tune in order to enhance it. First, just left click on your vocals, then head towards to your plugin or FX speaker. Click this arrow down icon and you will see a bunch of plugins that you can use. For example, if you want a reverb for your vocals, just simply click on it and you can freely tweak all the knobs, adjust the wet and dry hanggang makuha mo yung timpla na gusto mo. You can also add compressor kung gusto mong mabalance yung dynamics sa highest peaks and quietest parts of your vocals. For your bass naman, example, yung bass guitar mo is kulang pa sa bass, you can also add Fruity Bass Boost. You can edit the frequency and the amount of it. Sa keyboard naman, you can add equalizer para mabalance mo din yung bass, mid, and treble by tweaking all these knobs. Meron din kayong mapapansin sa left part ng ating mga plugins na mga knobs. For example, itong reverb ko is naka 100% yung effect ang mabibigay niya sa vocals ko. Pwede ko din naman siya babaan by tweaking this knob para di siya masyadong makapal kung papakinggan. Sa mga mixer din natin, may mga designated volume din each track. For example, masyadong malakas ang volume ng aking vocals, pwede ko siyang babaan. Sa bass, ganun din. Sa keyboard, ganun din. And sa iba din. Hanggang matimpla mo yung volume ng maayos. Sa right part naman ng mixer natin, mayroon din tayong master volume. Wherein, lahat ng ating mga tracks, rekta siya dito masisend. For example, binabaan ko yung volume niya, lahat ng mga tracks na nandito ay magkakaroon ng changes. Either lakasan ko or babaan ko yung volume. Now you know the basics of mixer in FL Studio. If you want more of this, follow for more.